Hi and namaste. Today I will be introducing you to naturopathy. Just let me introduce myself. So I have completed my BNYS, Bachelor's in Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, and later on I did my post-graduation in Wellness Management. I did my post-graduation in Psychotherapy and Counseling. I also did my post-graduation in Yoga. So I have been a wellness consultant and a corporate consultant for many corporate companies like NTPC and all for the past 10 years, and I have been a lifestyle coach also. And I think most of you know we have been running Maitri Yoga Nature Cure Center for the past 10 years. Through this platform we are bringing awareness among the people about how to prevent diseases and how to promote health. See, here we need to understand the basic principles on how this system, beautiful system, works. Okay, so today, as I have just mentioned, I will be introducing you to naturopathy. Okay, what is naturopathy? Naturopathy is a holistic system. Okay, what do you mean by holistic? So these days, especially for the past 5 to 10 years, and especially after we are hit with corona, we have been hearing about holistic. So this word is heard a lot among all of us in the social media. So everywhere we are hearing about this. What do you mean by this holistic system? This actually in Telugu, if you want a translation, I can simply say Sampurna Chikitsa Vidhanam. So it's a wholesome treatment methodology. Okay. So when we call holistic, basically it is looking towards your body as a whole unit. Okay, I'm not looking at my body as a different hand or different head or different tummy, different leg. No, not like that. So this entire human body is a whole single unit. So that's why we call this as a holistic system. So that's how it differs from other systems basically. So that is a basic understanding we need to differentiate between naturopathy system and the other systems. And here you are taking up a course which includes both yoga and naturopathy. So why is yoga and naturopathy combined together? So we need to understand, because in both the systems we are looking at the human being as a whole, and at the same time we are not using any kind of external medication in treating a person or treating any kind of illness which occurs to the person. When did this naturopathy evolve actually? When did this come? So people have a date for everything, isn't it? So, you know, this particular system has come during this year, this particular system has come during this year. So then when did this naturopathy evolve? Naturopathy has evolved. It is as old as a life, I can say. So because, see, human being is there, many other creatures are there in the nature since several thousands of years. So when any kind of disturbance occurred in their body against with the nature, or any kind of illness occurred in their body, so they got corrected themselves by adjusting to the requirements of the nature and the body. So when these adjustments have taken place, automatically the cure has taken place. Okay, so that's how the naturopathy system has evolved thousands of years ago. So like for example, if you just go observe any animals, any birds in the nature, or if you have any pet animals at your home, if like say you have dog, let us suppose the dog is not well, okay, and if you are going to feed your dog like every day you do, dog doesn't accept the food. It just refuses. It cannot eat. It will not eat, isn't it? And maybe another day also same thing. It will start eating only the day it feels better. So that hunger has come back again. Okay. So that's how people have recognized that, oh, okay, body is giving a signal that it is sick and it doesn't want to accept anything from outside, including the food, because it is trying to heal itself. So this healing is what is the major thing, important thing, which is actually healing all the kind of diseases in naturopathy system. So this particular healing power is also called as vitality or vital force, okay, or it is otherwise called as vital energy or the life energy. So this has many different terms in many different systems, but in nature cure it is very peculiar and it is very special, because in many other systems, if you compare like Ayurveda, homeopathy, allopathy, or any kind of systems, so basically what happens, you become sick, then you take medication, isn't it? So you take medication based on your symptoms and then you get kind of relief. But here we are not using any kind of medicines. So without any medicines we are treating anything that is happening to the body. So then how is this happening, you might wonder actually. Okay, so as I told you, it has evolved anciently since several thousand years before, when the life has started on this earth. So same time this cure also has started, because in the ancient times this technology was not there. Now we take our pet animals to the veterinary doctor, we go to the allopathy doctor, but in olden days there was no doctors actually. So healing was happening itself, so cure was happening itself. So people were adopting themselves and curing themselves. So this particular cure was happening. So this was there long ago. So but then based on these healings, so as human being has evolved in the modern era, so modern naturopathy has evolved. So modern naturopathy, actually the base I can say, so Hippocrates is the base for modern naturopathy, though he is the father of modern allopathy. But why am I talking about Hippocrates here? Actually Hippocrates has never spoken about the drugs in the beginning. He spoke about the healing power of the nature. He told about the healing power of the nature, which is actually healing, not the doctor. So that's why in naturopathy we believe nature heals, not the physician. So here doctor is not playing a big role. Only the nature is playing. What is nature? The nature which is surrounded by us. Okay, the nature in which we are living. So this nature is playing the big role in healing what is happening to, what disturbance is happening to our human body. So nature is healing. So first thumb rule you remember here, first point you remember here is the nature is a healer. Okay, not the physician.